everyone, welcome to my channel Let's Play with Code. In today's video, we are going to discuss the drawing module of OpenCV. In this lecture, we will see two methods of drawing module of OpenCV. The first is cv2.line and the second is cv2.putText. The method cv2.line in OpenCV is used to create a straight line on the image. This means we are going to draw a line on the image using this function. First of all, we will import the OpenCV module using import cv2. Second, we will import the numpy module using import numpy as np. Till now, we have learned how to import an image from our libraries and use it in OpenCV. But in this video, we will learn how to create an image using modules OpenCV and NumPy. So first, we'll write np.zeros. This is a method of NumPy used to create a NumPy array of only filled with zeros. And we need to give the size of how much the array should be. Here we have given the size as 600, 600, 3. This means I'm trying to create a array filled with zeros and having 3 channels. Since we all know a image is a 3 channel array with blue color, green color and red color, and the type of the image should be always. We will save this image. If we visualize this, here we can clearly see that np.zeros has created me a 3-dimensional array where all the values are filled with zeros, and we know the value 0 in cv2 represents the black color, which means np.zeros has created us a black color image. Now we will visualize this using cv2.imshow. Here we'll write a name black comma img. We'll give a wait key. Here we'll give cv2.destroy all windows and we'll run it here. So we have created a black color image using np.zeros. Now we have created a black image using our numpy method known as np.zeros, where we have filled it with zeros completely, and the size of the image we have given is 600, 603. If we make it 2, it will create a grayscale image. As I have told you in previous classes, the grayscale image contains 1 channel and the colorful images contains 3 channels. To draw line on the image, we have a method in OpenCV known as cv2.line. In this method, we first pass the image itself on which we want to draw the line. The second is the starting point of the line. Before we go with the starting coordinates and the ending coordinates, you have to understand how the coordinate system works in image. Image is a 2-dimensional object, which means it has only 2 values, that is y and x. As you can see, I have not drawn the x-axis below, but I have drawn the x-axis on the above of the image. This is because in OpenCV, the origin of the image is on the left top corner of the image. So this is the origin of the image, and this is the x-axis, and this is the y-axis. So from this you can understand how to find the coordinates of the points. If I want to draw something on this particular point, then I have to use coordinates like x, maybe 5 pixel from this direction, 5 pixel away from this direction. Again y means from top I have to go, for example, maybe it will be here 10. 10 is the distance from this point. So we'll take the position of 50, 50, and I want to go till the end. I will take it 550, which means I have started at this point 50, 50, and I want to go till 550. It means I have traveled 550 pixels on the x-axis, and I want to keep the line straight. So I will not change the y points. It will remain 50. The fourth parameter in cv2.line is the color, and we have to give it in BGR format. So I will give it 255, 0, it will be a green color. Then thickness will be 2, I will give it 2. Then there is line type in cv2 decides what type of line it will draw. There are few line types in cv2. There are cv2.line 4, cv2.line 8, and cv2.line AA. Mostly we use cv2.line AA because it is the most smooth line that OpenCV provides. Draw module of OpenCV always draws the drawing on the image itself. This means we do not need to store this value in the image or in another thing. It has already drawn the line on the image, so we just need to display the image and you can see the drawing on the image. Here it is. So we have started from 50, 50 pixel, and we have moved to 550 on the x-axis, and we have not changed the y position, so it is a straight line from 50, 50 to 550, 50. Now I want to draw a line from 550 to this 550. So in order to do that, we'll use cv2 dot line img 550, 50, again 550, 550, and all this will be same. So we simply copy this and we'll paste it here. So the second line we have drawn from coordinate 550, 50 till 550, 550. The first value of the coordinate represents the x-axis, and the second value of the coordinate represents the y value. And so we'll complete this drawing by making a square. So now we want on the below. So from below it will go 550, 550, 50, 550 till 50, 550. So here it is. We have drawn on the third line, and the last line will be again 550, 50, 550, then 50, 50. Back to the line where we started. 50, 550 is the bottom line, and 50, 550 is the starting point where we have started the line. Here, this is what cv2.line is used for in OpenCV. It is used to draw a line of different color and different thickness. To increase the thickness, we can increase these values. Let's come 4, 5, 6, 7. See, 4, 5, 6, 7. The thickness has increased. To change the color, we just simply need to change these values